Google AI Edge Gallery. So, what is this new app from Google? It's starting to grow in the charts, and I just wanted to check it out. So, the idea is that with this app, you can run latest high performance models fully offline, meaning you can run these models on your phone. And what it gives you, so just run this AI hardware, AI on your hardware, fully offline, private, and lightning fast. So, if you don't have internet, you can just download this app, download specific models, and use AI even without internet. There are a lot of use cases where there's literally no internet. And right now, if you don't have internet, it's kind of quite hard to use ChatGPT or anything like that. So it's not yet that super easy, especially on your mobile. So with this app, you can do that, and of course, it gives you more privacy. So, in some case, your data won't be leaked, and also it can be faster. It can be lightning fast. So here's Google AI Edge Gallery, and then explore other use cases. So here is, for example, Ask Image, and then you can see all of the models available, usually like 2, 3, 4, 5 gigabytes, and then you can see what's available, and you just tap download. Audio Scribe, tap download. Agent Skills, AI Chat, and you just select all of these models for different use cases and use it on your phone. Pretty cool. Usually it's just like JAMA 4 models. So this is like Google pioneering it. I haven't seen the app like that from Anthropic or OpenAI, like where you can literally download this kind of models to your iPhone. So I haven't seen that. But yeah, that's just what you can try here. So definitely a cool app to give a try. There are only certified ratings, so this is just completely new app. Swift and optimized game changer for on-device AI. The new agent skill are amazing. Be able to use weekend map directly within LLM is a huge step forward. Thinking mode. This also makes it thrilling to see how the model reaches its answers. Lack of chat history. So here's what you have.